Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Metatrader 5 versus Tradingview, best trading platform. Metatrader 5 versus TradingView, which is the best trading platform? Let's break it down. Metatrader 5 is a broker integrated platform built for executing trades, creating algorithmic strategies, and trading multi-asset markets like Forex, CFDs, and futures. It excels in automated trading with MQL5, direct broker integration for fast execution, and wide asset support, especially in Forex. However, its interface is dated and complex, and MQL5 can be tough to learn too. It also lacks strong community features. TradingView, on the other hand, is a cloud-based charting platform known for its sleek design, pied script, and active social community. It offers 100 indicators, easy chart syncing across devices, and tools to share trade ideas, but it's weaker in execution speed, lacks native auto trading, and hides some features behind paywalls. Go with MetaTrader 5 for speed, automation, and broker compatibility. Choose TradingView for top-notch charting, community features, and analysis across stocks, crypto, and Forex. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.